All right, so here we have a 47 RE, and it's kind of surprising how light these things are. Well, that's how an overdrive section comes off. There is barely anything on this magnet. I don't know if you can see that. I have already went through 2 rolls of those blue towels. This is ridiculous. And there's that bolt I lost. There you go. Now we can pull out this drum. So this is the input shaft. Ring. Alright, here comes the intermediate shaft. Intermediate shaft out, so all that was necessary is to pull off that snap ring. I had to put gloves on, man. That shit was horrible. Here's, I believe it's a low reverse band. Gosh, that does not look bad. Still a lot of clutch material on it. So this lip right here faces towards the front of the case. And this bearing looks in really good shape. This is the first time I've ever disassembled an automatic transmission, and it's not that bad. A screwdriver, some wrenches, snap ring pliers, and some basic mechanical know-how, and you can take them apart. Now putting them back together, I think that's a different story.